Brand name TESmart. Computer connections ports. Package yes. Model number HKSBU-Black. Interface type HDMI. Monitor connections ports. Resolution *at Hz. Product name ports HDMI K at Hz USB KVM HDMI switch. Color black. Input port HDMI USB. Type B port. Output port *HDMI *USB, for keyboard and mouse, *USB. Type A port. Housing material aluminum alloy housing. Resolution *at Hz. IR remote control reserved function. Switch mode button push hotkey switch. Compatible operating system Unix / Windows / Debian / Ubuntu / Fedora / Mac OS X / Raspbian / Ubuntu / Linux.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,